channel with love from Mama. Today I'm not only cutting my baby's hair but also his father's hair, that's my husband's hair. So what we have here is a comb, a pair of scissors and a used bottle which we have emptied and washed and filled with fresh water, and a pair of styling scissors again with the clip. So today we are only going to use जो हमारे पास घर में easily available होता है, and I want to welcome my husband जिसके मैं hair अभी chop करने वाली हूँ. So don't laugh, but I'm using a washing machine का cover. I wasn't prepared for it. So
even I am not prepared for it. I know what's going to happen. Guys, this is my first look. You can see what happens after that.
actually, you know the problem? You're very tall.
She's already telling me the problem.
Don't laugh. तो हमेशा हेयर को थोड़ा सा स्लैंटिंग काटिए, बिकॉज क्या होता है किसी भी साइड फॉल करे, इट शुड नॉट लुक वेरी शॉर्ट.
After the lockdown opens, we're opening a free salon. Such a beautiful looking hairdresser. Everyone would like to cut their hair from her. So guys, if you all are interested, please contact me. I'll send you my number.
New career options.
Yeah. 2, 3 वो already tough हो गए.
You want to say it in the mirror? You can say.
No, I'm okay. I'll wash and see what's going on. Trust your hands.
पहली बार कर रही हूँ trust my hands.
Option.
No option, you said.
It's a good option.
Good option. Okay, now let me check. Mama check. Mama check. Acha, you check. Baby's haircuts done by Mama. You bath time. Baby use bath time. Come on.
The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy. Ah, and lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing.
How much time is he taking? आ गए लाट साहब हमारे.
Yo, the experiment has worked. This is your new hairdresser, guys. Call me for the appointments. देखो मेरे बाल देखो, इतने अच्छे अच्छे बाल. ओहो, लॉकडाउन के बाद इतना मजा आया है. It's
So guys, if you like this haircut and if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, which is
the love from Mama.
Mama.